What's up guys, Jason here from SB Flashlights. We just picked up a new brand, EagleTac, and we're starting to carry some of their newer products. EagleTac's always been on my radar for a while now, so I'm just happy to pick them up. I'm doing a video review right now on the G25C2 Mark II. It's one of their newer lights that uses the Cree XML U2 emitter. So inside we have the usual ingredients for any other flashlight, your instructions, and your warranty card. It might be helpful to read the instructions on this flashlight because EagleTac flashlights are known to be a little more difficult to understand first of all, but once you get the hang of it, it's not that difficult. So inside the spare parts bag, you have the lanyard, 2 spare O-rings, and a glow-in-the-dark tail cap, tail cap boot cover. You have a nice rigid holster with 2 buttons on the top, and then you have the flashlight itself. So this is the G25C2 Mark II. Starting from the top, it is a protruding tail cap boot cover with a rotating lanyard ring. It has a pocket clip as well as a rubber cigar grip. The pocket clip is removable. All you gotta do is take the tail cap off and then take this ring off right here. As you can see, it's coming off right now. You just gotta take that off and then just remove the clip. Not too difficult. And then moving on to the top, you have large square cut threads because you are going to be rotating the head a lot for changing the modes. And also what they do is that they put this little block right here so you only can insert the batteries from the rear end. Not sure why they do that, but it is a nice touch that EagleTac adds. It keeps the batteries in there if that's your preference. More knurling on the top, and then we have a gunmetal colored kind of strike bezel on the front. That's a nice touch because most of them are usually shiny stainless steel. Then you have the anti-reflective coating on the glass lens, and also the lens stays in there, so there's a little lip that keeps the lens in there. It's not this ring that keeps it in there. So the UI is kind of interesting. You get the hang of it, but it just takes a second to understand it. There's 2 interfaces. There's the tactical interface and there's the regular interface. So let's see what we have right now. So to change the modes, you just untwist the head, and the further you untwist, the lower the mode becomes, or the lower, I guess you can say, the mode becomes. So we'll go to straight high. So on high it is 1020 lumens on high. You unscrew it. See which mode we're on. Yeah, we are on tactical mode right now. So there's 2 strobes. Can't really tell the different strobes. And then there's a 10% low, and then 100%. So to switch from tactical mode, which we're in right now, to regular mode, you go to the second to the highest mode, which is this 10% mode, and you click the switch 20 times. So on the 21st mode, or the 21st click, it is a forward clicky switch, so you can't just momentarily press it instead of fully clicking it every single time. So the 21st mode, you notice that if you're going from tactical to regular setting, or group setting, you'll notice that the second to highest mode got brighter because it is, instead of a 10% high, or 10% mode on the tactical group, it's now a 35% second to the highest mode for the regular group. So now, when we tighten the head, we go back to the 1020 lumen high. Now it's a 35%, pretty sure it's 35%, and then a 6% and 0.6% low. So it's very low, probably in the 1 to 3 lumen range. So that's how you get between the tactical and regular group. You just press it 20 times. So then you have the 4 modes again. You have low, medium 1, medium 2, and then high. So we're in the regular group setting right now. So if you the auxiliary modes, that I need to actually get the instructions out to remember exactly what they are. Auxiliary modes, you just go from high to the third highest level, which would be medium 1 instead of medium 2. So you go from high, you unscrew the head, you go like that. So there you have your strobe 1, you have a different strobe, you have a high flash, so you have a fast SOS. So these are the auxiliary modes we're going through. So you scroll from high to the third from the highest mode, or medium 1 I like to call it. So here's a slower SOS, and then you have your strobe, or you actually this beacon, and then you have a low flash for survival situations if you want to have if you want someone to find you out in the woods or something like that. And then you just go back to regular, and then you're back to the normal group setting. So this is the G25C2 flashlight by EagleTac, or EagleTac as they like to shorten it. If you're interested in this light, I'll leave a link down below to purchase it. Again, this is Jason from SP Flashlights. I'll leave it like that for you. Thanks for watching.